Are you looking for a kitchen remodel and in the Biltmore area of Phoenix? Well, in the Biltmore area, it's known for luxury homes and elevated design. Finding the best remodeling contractor for Biltmore requires more than just beautiful photos. It requires precision. Biltmore homeowners want upscale finishes, clean lines, and a remodel that enhances long term home value. But what they fear most is hiring the wrong contractor and dealing with mid project price increases or poorer workmanship. That's why Phoenix Home Remodeling is different. You can get a ton of free guides right here if you want. But the main idea is that we use a proven design build process that starts with a structured planning phase. You do not go through right to construction. First, we create a detailed scope of work, then 3D renderings, then final pricing. Only after everything is planned and approved do we move forward. This eliminates the finger pointing between designer and contractor. And that's what usually causes the delays, cost overruns, and all the stress. So, our in house team manages everything. You received fixed pricing, you see your design before building begins. Now, if you're searching for the best remodeling company for the Biltmore area for your kitchen, look for the team that plans with precision. And before demo ever starts, and if you're interested, feel free to schedule your complimentary consultation, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work with you as well.